Now that we understand the buy limit order, let's move on and explore the sell limit order. At times during a downtrend, traders like to enter the market after it has bounced up to a specific price level. For example, some like to enter the market after a 61.8% Fibonacci correction to the upside, after the price reached a key resistance level, or even when the market reached a trendline or rebounded off the upper Bollinger band. As you see, there are many reasons to justify the sell limit order. Let's take a look at an example. Say that the current price for EURUSD is at 1.3550 after a bullish correction from 1.3500. Many traders who entered the market on time feel very happy about it. However, those standing on the sidelines wished for a correction in price so they can enter as well and enjoy the bear market. So, they might place a sell limit order to enter the market at a higher price compared to the current price, say at 1.3500. The sell limit order will be triggered only if the price bounces up to the specified level of 1.3550 or higher. Both MT4 and MT5 trading platforms provide the sell limit order. Happy trading!
Hi guys, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell to keep up with new videos.